Hello everyone, this is Imelda. Today's video is I'm gonna show you how to make this created for Crisis Convertible CareCap. The created for Crisis CareCap is convertible scrub cap. The buttons in this design is intended to reduce strain on the ears when wearing a face mask. Pattern pieces, we need 2 pieces for the ties, which is measured 2 by 14 inches and one 19 inches by 19 square fabric. Now we're ready to make our ties. With wrong side facing up, fold 1/4 inch. Then fold the ties in half lengthwise and press to create a crease. Fold the long sides in so row edges meet at the crease in the center. Refold on crease, resulting in a total width of about half an inch. Pin, and stitch along the open edges of the tie along the length and the one folded end. Now we got 2 ties ready for our scrub cap. Place the cap fabric wrong side up. Create a hem on opposite sides. Fold over another 3/4 inch to the wrong side. Press and stitch the hems into place. And then do a zigzag stitch here on both opposite sides. Bring it to the sewing machine and stitch the hemline. And now we're ready to sew zigzag stitch on the other 2 opposite sides. After a zigzag stitch, fold a 1/4 inch and then make a straight stitch along the sides. this is what it looks like after you fold it and stitch. Fold the fabric like a fan. With the cap fabric wrong side up, take one of the hem sides and fold 2 inches to the wrong side. Flip the fabric to the right side. Take the previous folded section and fold over 2 inches to the right side. Flip to the wrong side and repeat. Continue folding until all the fabric is continued within the original 2 inches. Looking at the right side of the fabric, there should be 4 distinct folds. Attach the ties. Center the raw edge of a tie on one of the short edges of the cap. Split it between the middle of the folds. It should be centered and go into cap at least 1/4 inch. And then do the same on the other side. And stitch on the edge of the 2 short sides at least twice to secure the ties and hold the folds in place. And now we're ready to put our buttons for our ear savers. From the edge, it's 1 1/4 inch, and then the second button is 3 1/2 inches from the edge. And then hand sew the buttons on both ends. The buttons are sewn to the top fabric layer only, so when done, the cap should still unfold. There we are. I made one out of my husband's shirt, the blue one. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And happy sewing, everyone. Bye. Stay safe, and thank you to those who've been sewing for our National Health Service. Thank you all. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.